Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start now, unlock your Redmi and make sure battery is above 20% or plug it in so the change won't be interrupted. Connect to Wi-Fi if you need to download an image or a theme. It's faster and saves data. Once connected, go directly to Settings or long press an empty area on the home screen. Both get you to wallpaper options. You do this first to access built-in albums, live wallpapers, and the theme store, so you can pick the right source immediately. Now choose your source. Open Gallery to use a personal photo or the Themes app for curated images and live wallpapers. When you pick an image, crop and position it, make sure key subjects aren't under widget zones. Next, select where it applies, home, lock, or both. This matters because lock screen often shows notifications. You can also toggle parallax or blur effects if available. These change battery use and legibility, so adjust until the preview looks right before you confirm. Tap Apply or Set Wallpaper and wait for the confirmation message. The phone applies changes to the chosen screens. If the wallpaper doesn't show, reboot the phone first. This fixes most transient glitches. If problems persist, clear the launcher or home app cache in Settings, right arrow apps, or reselect and recrop the image to match a 16:9 ratio so it fits screens better. One quick tip: avoid extremely large files. Resize to under 5 MB.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.